Hello friends, today we will discuss the modeling of the part given in the drawing using various options in SolidWorks software. So let us get started. So the first section to develop will be this particular square section. So the dimensions are 76 by 77. So I will first of all take a new file in SolidWorks. This is SolidWorks software. To start with, here we have been given the planes. I will select first the front plane and create a sketch. So here I will create a rectangle and then I will give the required dimensions. This is 76 and 77. Next, we have to extrude it to a total depth of 292. So here I will go to extruded boss option, and since as we have seen in the drawing that this depth is calculated from the center, so here I will input the condition as mid plane, and here I will write the depth value as 292. So half of 292 and half of 292 will be calculated from the center. Next, we have to develop a cylinder on this side face of diameter 65. So this diameter is being mentioned as 65 and depth as 55. So here I will take a circle, then we will give the dimensions. In SolidWorks, after giving the required dimensions and parameters, if the sketch turns black, then that confirms that the sketch is fully constrained. And an under constrained sketch is displayed by blue color. So here the depth is 55. Next we have to input the fillets of value 2 mm on the required edges. So here in insert menu, in features, we have fillet. So in fillet I will select constant size fillet and input the value of 2 mm, which has to be given as an input, and then I will select the edges. So we can select pair of edges one by one. It's quite easy in SolidWorks. No need to use any control selection or any other special key for selecting the edges in one cycle, and then OK. So here we have got the fillets. Now next we have to create these contours. So this is basically a manifold part which can be seen in internal combustion engines, for example to exhaust the unused gases during the working cycle. Now to create these pipe types structure, if we take a look at this view, these pipes are offset at a distance of 32 from one of the edges. So here, in order to create the sketches for the pipes, we have to create a plane either from this or the opposite face. So here I will go to plane, and then let us say I select this particular face. Now I want this plane to offset in the opposite side. So here I will flip the offset and give the value input as 32 and then OK. In the next step, we will be creating the sketches to draw the pipe contours.